Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to activate your DU tourist SIM card in the UAE in 2026. So whether you received a physical SIM at the airport immigration counter or opted for a digital eSIM, getting online takes only a few minutes. So let's walk through it step by step. So if you have a physical SIM, first of all, you need to insert it into your unlocked phone and then you need to power it on. You will almost immediately receive a welcome SMS from DU. If you are using an eSIM, you just have to scan the QR code provided at the airport or through the DU application to add the cellular plan to your device settings. Now, the most common way to activate is by calling the simple code. For that, you need to simply open your phone's dialer. Over here, you just have to simply type *122# and then you just have to basically press the call button. So this particular step starts the automated registration process. You will be asked to enter your year of birth to verify that you are over 18, which is legal requirement for the SIM registration. Alternatively, you can also use the DU application for more visual experience. For that, when you open your DU application, on the home page itself, you will see the activate your SIM option. So when you tap on it, you need to use your phone's camera to scan your passport and your UAE entry stamp. So the app uses AI to verify your documents instantly without you needing to type anything. So complete the selfie verification if it is prompted. In 2026, DU uses the enhanced facial recognition to match your face to your passport photo. So after doing this, you can just simply start using DU SIM as a tourist. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.